Hi, Sabrina. My name is Megan, and I am the founder of Lobo Leads Marketing. I spoke with Samuel today, and I just wanted to send you this quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. And Samuel told me to just send this to you via email, and then if you have questions for me, or if you want to discuss any of this after, I'd love to talk with you. I'll send over all my contact info. So the three things I wanted to talk to you about in the video today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the homepage of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the homepage, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Electrician, Arlington, Texas, AC Repair, Arlington, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. Now, looking at your website, I really like how professional it is and how easy to navigate it is. I also like the design and layout of the homepage. It has a lot of really great info on it. So I saw down here that you have some, you have all of your service pages split up, which is always a huge plus. I usually recommend that if you don't have that. That way all of these separate services can rank more easily as back pages on Google. Now, something to shoot for in terms of content on these pages is 500 words of content for each service page. So the standard rule of thumb that we tell our clients is one keyword phrase for every 100 words. So if you were to get 500 words, you'd be looking at 3 to 5 keywords that you'd want to place organically and spread them throughout the content and paragraphs here on the service pages. Now, as far as your homepage goes, you'll want to have 1,500 words like I mentioned before, and so we stick to the same rule of thumb. So anywhere between 10 to 15 keywords spread organically throughout is what you want to strive for here. Love that you have testimonials here on the homepage. Those are always a huge plus and really help to build trust with your prospective clients. So overall, you have a really nice site. As far as the content goes, you'll just want to increase that and then make sure you have good keywords that have high traffic. High volume so that you'll get more traffic through those. So the second thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. And the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a blog that mentions your company and other electricians and electrical services would be a good one for you. Or a website that features various types of home services. That would be another good one for you. Something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and it gives you a lot of really valuable data for what kind of traffic is coming into your website. So I've pulled yours up here, and you can see that you guys have a lot of backlinks. Now, like I said before, not all backlinks are created equal. So if we look down here, it looks like the quality of the backlinks is a little low. The 0 to 10 range can be kind of spammy. So you have a lot of backlinks, but they're not necessarily giving your site a lot of power. So the DR is your power rating, and you want to try to get it as close to the UR rating as possible. So you can see that there's a big difference between the two here. Now, it looks like these backlinks have come from 103 different websites, and you have 98 for your organic traffic over the last 30 days. So that means 98 website visits over the last 30 days. So you do have traffic coming into your site, which is great. But I wanted to show you what your competitor is doing. One of your top competitors, Baker Brothers Plumbing and Electrical, they have a lot of backlinks too right here. But they have, let's see, 13,000 website visits in the last 30 days. So they have higher quality backlinks and it's pulling in a lot more traffic for them. So a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of power and influence as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue to keep adding more and more. So eventually you'll surpass them while gaining more and more power to your site. A lot more organic traffic and new customers, of course, will come along with that. The last thing I want to talk to you today about is citations. So citations are very important because if someone's wanting a service now, they're most likely going to go to Google and type in, electrician, let's just say electrician Arlington. And then a lot of times they see these top 3 sites pop up and they think, these top 3 businesses, and they think these are the most reputable people in the area to do the work that they need done. And that's not necessarily the case. The reason why these are up here in the local Google My Business map pack is because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories, and then you add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. What's going to happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack ranking. You'll be at the top, and your competitors, before they even realize it, will not be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So in closing, Sabrina, I just wanted to show you my website. This is my company, Lobo Leads. This is my phone number. So if you have any questions for me after watching the video or want to discuss any of it, I'd be happy to talk with you. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.